Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Samantha J is back on the recording track with new music. The singer recently collaborated with hardcore dancehall DJ Tommy Lee Sparta for the spicy single Cut Eye. The collaboration is the first song released from Samantha J since her Belize accident and also marks the first time that she and the Sparta boss have collaborated on a song. Produced by Ricardo Gao Records, the Cut Eye track, which features a bubbling bass line accompanied by snares, speaks on the merits of independent women who strive to succeed whilst overcoming envy, hatred and grudge. For the past year, the Tight Up Skirt Singjay has collaborated with the local music colleagues including dancehall siren Shensia for the track Show Off and reggae croon Egyptian for the track Picture. Samantha J, who is signed to an independent label which handles her licenses in the United States, recently also signed with Sony Norway, which handles her distribution in that country. 141 reggae albums submitted for Grammy's first round. The first round of voting for the 2019 Grammy Awards started yesterday with a total of 141 albums presented in the Best Reggae Album category. The main contenders include Ziggy Marley, Sting and Shaggy, Popcorn, Etana, Protege, Alba Rosie and Agent Sasko, and Kabaka Pyramid. However, also in the running for the coveted award are young acts Remain Virgo as well as Jesse Royal. Voting for this extensive list will run until the end of the month, and the top 5 to 7 albums will form the list of nominations for the Reggae Grammy category. The nominees will be announced on December 5. Over the years, the winners for Best Reggae Album have included Burning Spear, Sean Paul, Stephen Marley, Jimmy Cliff, Steel Pulse, Peter Tosh, Sly and Robbie, Toots and the Maytals, Buju Banton and Damian Jr. Gong Marley. Now to news overseas. NBA superstar Steph Curry is set to produce his first Hollywood film. The three-time NBA champion announced on social media yesterday that he will serve as the executive producer of the faith-based Hollywood drama Breakthrough. The movie is based on author Joyce Smith's Breakthrough, the miraculous story of a mother's faith and her child's resurrection. The non-fiction book recounts how Smith's 14-year-old son lay lifeless in a hospital after he fell through ice on the Missouri Lake. His heart began to beat again when Joyce Smith cried out to God. The move, which was finalized several months ago, is one of the first for Curry's blossoming Hollywood and media career. Now, pop icon Janet Jackson will receive the Global Icon Award at the MTV Europe Music Awards. The 52-year-old singer will be honored at this year's staging of the star-studded ceremony and is set to perform a medley of her greatest hits during the show. Other top acts set to perform are Chun-Li rapper Nicki Minaj, along with American multi-platinum superstar Halsey and Spanish superstar Rosalia. Camila Cabello leads the nominations with 6, and Ariana Grande and Post Malone are tied with 5 nominations each. Other nominees include Drake, Shawn Mendes, and Dua Lipa. The MTV Europe Music Awards ceremony features categories based on genre and region and is set for this November. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.